It's a nice view. Very nice view. It's JT, you better recognize. It's times like this, you just step out and get some fresh air. Take Mother Nature on. This is beautiful though. Snow, pretty yet so inconvenient. Been a tough 7 days. Had to bury my partner. Rest in peace, man. A couple of bad encounters. Had to cancel my read-through. Damn. It's tough. To other people, it might be like, no big deal. But to me, this is my life. You know? What you know about that love game? That's how I try to ask people all the time. Because in honesty, nobody really knows about that love game. Because if they did, they'd probably be happy right now. They'd probably be married, having a happy marriage, living good, children and all. At least that's what the average Christian man or woman would like. Or man and woman in general. We all want to have a family, for the most part. But that love game, the games we play, the games the men play, the games the women play, we all play the love game. We all play it at some point in our lives. I play this shit every day. I don't even try to. Let this play. Love Game, July 2010. Written, produced, and directed by JT James Turner. JTV. First production under JTV. Because you will recognize soon. All people that doubt. I love the doubt. I love it. The women that come with their games and all. I love it. I love it. Because all it does is just fuse my energy. Fuse my energy. So I get the James, you're weird, you're this, you gotta get it together, unstable. I get it. I get it all. But I ain't perfect. And y'all ain't perfect either. So when it's judging, stop the motherfucking judging and look at yourself in the mirror. That's how I feel. Anybody got a problem, say something. You know where I'm at. I'm in the fucking snow right now, to be honest. Excuse my sudden lash. I'm just tired, man. Tired of the dumb ass people, the dumb shit, fake ass people. But it's part of life. I guess we need you. Cause I got my team. I got the people I know I can trust. I got my production. I got my destiny in my own hand. You might get the realest shit hearing from me right now. People say I'm arrogant. Some people say I'm humble. I like to call it humble arrogance. Because I know I'm the truth. I know I'm the future. I know I have what it takes to change a lot of people's lives, including people watching this right now. But I'm humble enough to keep God in me and let Him know that I need Him to help me get to where I want to get at, to the success, you know. You know, I have a saying, you know, when you're a bitch or want to act or become a bitch, you attract bitch-made men. But if you're real and true to yourself and have God in your heart, you will meet someone who is real, true, and has God in their heart. Thus, you become true to each other, which results in true love. That's what true love is with God. You gotta be. It's the only way to be able to make it in this life. People will understand soon enough. So I can't press everybody. Can't get every girl to like me. Can't have a hard time even getting one. But then you got the ones around that want to get close. Then the ones that pull back when they get too close. Then the ones that just don't want to be close, period. Or just so fucking stubborn. Wherever the case may be. No matter what life throws at me, it's not going to stop me. Nothing is going to stop me. Unless it's me. I'm the only person that can stop me. Yeah, I can't recognize a peaceful warrior when you see one. Then it will be hitting you before you know it.